So to find the greatest common factor, we are basically going to do the opposite of finding the least common multiple. Instead of finding the multiples of our numbers, we're going to find the factors, so the numbers that multiply together to give you that number. So for example, 12 times 1 gives you 12. So 1 and 12s are factors of 12. What else multiplies to give us 12? Well, 2 times 6 multiplies to give us 12. So 2 and 6 are also factors. And finally, 3 times 4 multiplies to give me 12. So 3 and 4 are also factors. Now notice as I was writing down those factors, I put them from least to greatest. That is a good strategy to do. That way you can tell which one's the smallest, which one's the biggest as you go along. I'm going to do the exact same thing for my 20. I'm going to think what numbers multiply to give me 20. So 1 times 20 gives me 20. 2 times 10 gives me 20. 4 times 5 gives me 20, and I think that's it. So there's my multiples for 20. Now I'm going to look at all the factors for 20. I'm going to look at all of these factors now, and I want to know what the greatest factor is between all of these. So I'm going to circle all the ones they have in common. They both have a 1, both have a 2, both have a 4, and no other ones. So there's all of our factors. The greatest one, the biggest one, is the 4. So the greatest common factor is 4. There we go.